I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure you are signed into the correct Google account and two-factor authentication is accessible. Once done, check the target device has sufficient free space and stable network, Wi-Fi preferred. Next, open Google Drive and use Search or the Backup section to locate the backup you intend to import. Click or tap to preview it so you know the file type and size. This informs which import method you'll use next. Now download the backup or mount Google Drive through the app to stream files. Make sure to verify the download completed and run a quick integrity check. Compare sizes or use checksums if available, because corrupt files will break the import. If the backup is compressed, extract it. If it's a proprietary format, convert with the recommended tool. Once files are accessible and validated, organize them into the folder structure expected by your target app. Proceed to import. Use the application's import utility or copy files into the precise directory the app reads. After import, run a verification pass, open key items, check timestamps, and review any log output to confirm success. If you encounter errors, try simple fixes first. Re-download from Drive, ensure file permissions allow read access, and retry. As a last resort, restore incrementally, import smaller subsets to isolate problematic files. This typically reveals what went wrong and speeds recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.